Good Saturday morning. I don't know what kind of exciting weekend plans you guys have, but for me, I'm cleaning the house, organizing, and throwing away garbage. Right now, Maddie and I are working in the pantry. I want to show you what we're up to. Here is a quick overview of our pantry. Now, I tend to buy more packaged food than we actually eat. I've just discovered this. So I just this morning brought this shelf in here, and I just put little Post-it notes to label the months, and we are just putting the food in order of when it expires. I typically, so if you remember, I had this shelf over here, and so that shelf over there, that was our use soon, we would call it, and like anything that expired in the next 3 months went there. But with the baby coming and my brain maybe not functioning at top speed, I thought we need to go a little further out, so we're going down to September with expiration dates just to make sure that everything is getting used and we're being good servants of the food that we have here.
Here's a tip for you. Okay, so when you want to know easily what the date is on your cans of soup, you just write it at the top, the date.
Yep, it's a lot easier to see than like the little tiny silver print on a silver can, right? Mm-hmm. Small change of plans. We actually moved that other white shelf out just because it's a lot more open to be able to walk in here. And then we used the top 2 rows to put food that expires all the way up to December, which means the bottom ones are a little disorganized, but being able to use stuff before their expiration is going to be a lot better.